Okay, so we had seen that the integral x varying from 1 to 2, y varying from 3 to 4 and y varying from 3 to 4, x varying from 1 to 2 of the same function is equal, right? So this is a result given by Fubini, which states that whenever you are doing the double integration over the rectangular region, so even if you change the order of the integration, the answer is going to be same. So what is this? It says that if f of x comma y is continuous, if this is continuous on the rectangular region, the region is defined to be, say A is given to be all the points x and y such that x lies between the limits a to b and y lies between the limits c to d, right? Then the double integration over this rectangle of the function f of x comma y dA, what would be this? This would be equal to the integration when you perform it firstly with respect to x and then with respect to y of the function x y dx dy. This would be equal to the integration of the function fx with respect to dy and dx. So firstly you will take the limits with respect to y and then with respect to x. So this is what we are doing. So this theorem says that these two conditions are important here, that the function should be continuous and the given region should be a rectangular region. If these two things are done, then they are saying even if you interchange the integration limits, the answer would be the same. That means the integration, this double integration would be same. So let me give you one example where we cannot apply this kind of condition. So we have this question. It says that prove that the integration from 0 to 1 and then integration from 0 to 1 of the function x minus y divided by x plus y whole cube dy, this is not equal to integration from 0 to 1 x minus y divided by x plus y whole cube dx dy. Here it is dy and dx and here it is dx and dy. So you see, even if you interchange the limits, so here in this case we are interchanging, we are firstly doing the integration with respect to y and then with respect to x. Here we are doing it with respect to x and then with respect to y. So these are not equal. But according to Fubini's result, it should be. Fubini's result says that whenever you are given this rectangular region, here the limits are from 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. So that means the region is given to be rectangular. There is no doubt in that. This region is given to be rectangular. But if you see in this particular region, your function is not continuous. What is your function here? F of x comma y, that is given to be x minus y divided by x plus y whole cube. This function is not continuous in the given rectangular region. Say the region is R, right? Not continuous in R. Why? Because in this region we have this point 0 and 0. So when you substitute the point 0, 0 here, the function is not defined. The denominator here becomes infinity. So that is why this is not continuous here. So according to Fubini's result, they are not equal.